Hey, what's up everybody? 4i Driver over here. This is it. This is my second car for this Miami trip. I just returned. The GR Supra is back to Sunset Rentals. It's time to have a really good time. This is the second sports car that I'm looking to get as my first. So we are here at Broward at Porsche. Just met up with the owner of this car. Shout out to him. And he just gave me the keys. I'm very excited for this. This is gonna be a fun one. So this is the 2018 Porsche 718 Boxster. Again, Porsche is known as the driver's car, so I'm fairly excited. This is my first Porsche that I'm going to drive. So this is the first impression. This is the racing yellow. Oh my God, this is really, really cool. It's also a convertible as well. Nice. This is just really, I'm very excited. Always wanted to drive a Porsche, and now I'm able to drive a Porsche now. So again, let me see how to unlock this thing. There it is, how to unlock it. Boom. Oh, the interior is nice. I'm already set. Oh, wait, hold on, look. What? Wait, hold on. Hold on. Something just happened. Let me open this up again. This leather seat just retracted. What? That's pretty cool. All right, let me go inside real quick. Oh, the seats are already more comfortable than the Supras. It's definitely more comfortable, a lot more comfortable than the Supras, let me tell you that. All right, so in order to start this car, I have to put this key, this knob in the ignition. Woo! Woo! All right, I really like this layout. I'm really sorry, Supra, I really am. But this one already, after sitting down for the first time, this one takes the cake. It's beating you. I mean, as expected, because Porsche is more luxurious, it's up there in terms of pricing and, you know, status. So of course, Porsches are well known for that, for both comfort and performance. Wow, this 718, it's really comfortable. This leather is nice. I really like the odometer. It's yellow, just like this racing yellow. So the engine light is showing, so I'll text the owner about that. It's probably due to sensory, but I'll let him know that the engine light is showing. But in any case, oh my God, this is really comfortable. Really just simple with the gearbox. 718, it shows right there officially. Something called the PDK. I've heard about it for Porsches. I gotta do more research about that, but apparently it's one of the best gearboxes that you could ever get in a performance vehicle. But oh man, I already like it so far. I'm gonna adjust my seat. So I'm gonna adjust back a little, put more forward, more up. What's this button? Oh, apparently this goes, wait, what? It goes this? Yo! Oh, that's fire. That is fire right there. So this actually part control is that side button right here to the last one. Oh, that's fire right there. Wow. Oh, I'm so excited to drive this right now. And eventually I'm gonna put the top down too, since it's a convertible. So yo, let's get to it, man. This is exciting. Also, he showed me this too. This is where the cup holders are. Nice. 2 of them. Hey, very convenient. Okay, it does the retraction and everything else. Hey, this is awesome. Oh my, yes. All right, let's do it. Let's get ready. You know what time is it? It's like close to 1. I should go get something to eat real quick. Let's find somewhere to eat. All right, so everything's set up. This was really easy to set up the Bluetooth with the phone. I like that. Also, it doesn't have a mount or anything else. Unfortunately, no glove compartment here, but I'm using one of the cup holders to properly hold my phone so I know the directions. So that's kind of funny, but it's very convenient in this case. My glasses, so sunglasses will go in here, and it's good. Hey, listen, I'm sorry, but Toyota Supra, it's a gorgeous car, I'm not gonna lie, but I think that's manual, right? Okay. but already I like the Porsche. I already like the feel of it better, so let's go. So I'm going to a restaurant just for lunch. It's about 3 minutes away, so I'm not gonna drive too much with it, but this is perfect time to just get a feel for the car. This is my first having a sports car to have the mid-engine in the back. We're gonna check that later, and the front storage, but it's a different feel. It's different, it's unique, it's one of the kind. So it's gonna be, sorry, I have to adjust my hat, but it's, ooh, I already like it. Smooth. Man, that was quick with the shift. Man, that was smooth. Oh, I'm so excited. Man, I can't believe I'm in a Porsche. So I'm pretty much at the spot, but definitely gonna open this up in traffic. Right, going on the highway. See how it does. Man, Florida highways are kind of spacious, I'm not gonna lie. I'm more north in southern Florida, but we don't have highways like spacious in Jersey like this. I don't know, maybe Garden State Parkway, but I don't know. On this thing. Oh, smooth. Very smooth. Considering how many miles this particular car has, I think it has over, damn, close to 67,000 miles. This car has been driven hard. Man. But it's still smooth. Are you serious? Watch out. What's this guy doing? What the hell is he doing? Gotta be careful. Bad driver. Can't be doing risky driving like that. Come on. Smooth, very reactive with the PDK. The shifts, wow. It's a really car so far. Oh man. I'm sorry, but this Porsche is fun, man. It is the first drive with it, so. No wonder people say this is the driver's car. This Porsche. Wait, let me go down one gear. Let me. Ooh. just bam, like that. Hell, man. Hey, this is fun. I am so blessed and honored to finally drive a Porsche and have this for a couple of days, which is great. So this is gonna be a good time. I know I'm gonna find some things that I don't like about this car, but overall, man, I love this car. This by far beats the Supra. I'm sorry, this by far beats the Supra, but I know this is on the pricey side, on the very pricey side, because it's a Porsche. But oh Lord, let me do that again. Ew. Smooth like butter. Hey. Nice. And I love open roads like this. Not a lot of traffic. Well, I'm away from Miami, so that's why if I go towards Miami, it's gonna be backed up for sure.